Welcome back to Motorhome Empire. Today, we're stepping inside one of the most unbelievable luxury motorhomes ever imagined. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome Camper, a rolling palace that takes premium travel to a completely new level. Everything you are about to see is designed with perfection, elegance, and futuristic engineering in mind. From its enormous exterior presence to the ultra-refined interior spaces, this motorhome is created for people who want the absolute best of everything while traveling. The first look from the outside instantly tells you that this isn't an ordinary camper. The body sits low, wide, and incredibly stable, just like a luxury Maybach limousine stretched into a full-size motorhome. The front grille is massive and proudly carries the Maybach identity, along with razor-sharp LED headlights that look like eyes of a futuristic machine. The lower bumper is sculpted with chrome detailing, and every line flows smoothly across the entire vehicle. The glossy pearl-white finish reflects light like a mega yacht parked in a private marina. Large panoramic windows run along the side, giving the motorhome an elegant and modern look. Even the side mirrors are fully digital, using cameras instead of traditional glass to provide a clearer and wider view. The wheels add another dimension of beauty. These deep-dish Maybach alloy rims make the vehicle look powerful, grounded and luxurious from every angle. Whether it's parked inside a showroom or standing on an open highway, this motorhome demands attention everywhere it goes. As you approach the door, the smart access system recognizes your presence. Soft LED lights glow under the steps, guiding you in. With a simple touch or fingerprint scan, the door opens automatically, sliding out with complete silence. The moment you step inside, you feel like you've entered a luxury penthouse suite rather than a vehicle. Everything around you is finished with ultra-premium materials, soft lighting, and carefully controlled ambiance. The living area welcomes you first. Two full-size Maybach captain chairs sit at the front, both completely motorized. They rotate, recline, elevate, and even offer full-body massage with heating and cooling options. The stitching is flawless, the cushioning is soft, and the comfort level is something you simply cannot compare to typical camper seating. Across from them is a leather sofa that folds out into an additional lounge bed when needed. The windows on both sides are huge, allowing sunlight to fill the space during the day, while automatic blinds can darken the room at night. Above you, hidden inside the ceiling, is a massive 55-inch premium 4K smart TV. With one button, it glides down smoothly and activates the Burmester audio system, filling the entire lounge with rich theater-quality sound. Soft ambient lighting runs along the edges of the ceiling, changing color depending on your mood. This whole area feels like a private cinema, a VIP relaxation lounge, and a family living room, all in one. As you move forward, you notice the flooring. It's polished, durable, and designed to look like luxury yacht flooring. The subtle lighting along the baseboards gives the entire motorhome a floating, futuristic appearance. Next to the lounge is the beautifully designed kitchen. Even though it's compact, every inch is intelligently used. You get a large countertop finished in a marble texture, a deep stainless steel sink, and a full-size induction cooking surface. Smart appliances are embedded directly into the cabinetry, including a touchscreen microwave, a silent fridge, and multi-level storage drawers that close gently on their own. The lighting in the kitchen is bright and clean, making it easy to cook even during late-night travel. Whether you're preparing a small snack or a full meal, this kitchen is built to support everything. Walk a few steps further and you reach the luxury bathroom suite. This area truly feels like you're inside a 5-star hotel. It features a walk-in shower with a rainfall system that releases soft, relaxing water flow. The shower walls have a stone-like glossy finish, and the lighting is warm and ambient. The vanity area features a large backlit mirror, storage cabinets, and a premium ceramic toilet that functions quietly and efficiently. There's also underfloor heating, keeping the bathroom warm even on cold nights. You can easily shower, change clothes, and prepare for bed in a space that never feels cramped or cheap. Now let's move into the master bedroom, the heart of comfort. Inside this motorhome, step inside and the first thing you see is a full king-size luxury bed. The mattress is memory foam with cooling technology, allowing you to rest comfortably regardless of the weather outside. The bed is surrounded by soft leather wall panels that enhance soundproofing. There's a private entertainment screen positioned perfectly in front of the bed, with built-in speakers that create a calm and relaxing environment. You have storage cabinets above, side nightstands, hidden drawers under the bed, and climate control vents that allow you to set the perfect temperature. The large panoramic windows bring in natural light during the day, and at night with the blinds closed, the room becomes a cozy private retreat. Whether you're traveling long distances or simply taking a break, this bedroom gives you complete peace and relaxation. But the most surprising part of this motorhome is the upper-level lounge. A beautifully designed staircase leads you up to a panoramic rooftop sitting area. This space feels like a luxury glass conservatory. The overhead roof is completely transparent, giving you a perfect view of the sky, mountains, forests, or city lights depending on where you are. The glass can also turn opaque at the touch of a button, giving you privacy whenever you want. The upper lounge includes adjustable chaise lounge chairs where you can relax, read a book, enjoy a drink, or simply take in the view during travel. It's like having your own private rooftop lounge that no other motorhome can match. This feature alone makes the Maybach camper feel far more premium than anything else on the market. On the outside of the vehicle, the utility and storage compartments are equally impressive. You have multiple slide-out sections for storage, battery systems, water tanks, and generator space. The motorhome also includes rooftop solar panels and a large lithium battery pack, allowing off-grid travel for extended periods. With these features, you can travel to remote areas without worrying about power. Finally, the driving experience brings everything together. The cockpit looks like a futuristic spaceship. Dual digital displays, a smart steering system, AI navigation, voice control, and 360-degree cameras. The ride is incredibly smooth due to the adaptive air suspension, which constantly adjusts to road conditions. Even on rough terrain, the motorhome remains steady and quiet, making long drives feel effortless. Driving this Maybach motorhome feels like piloting a luxury yacht on land. Every movement is soft, controlled, and elegant. Whether you're driving it yourself or relaxing as a passenger, the comfort remains unmatched. And that brings us to the end of this full tour of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome, a vehicle designed for those who want the absolute best travel experience on wheels. Thank you for watching Motorhome Empire. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible luxury motorhome tours. We'll see you in the next video.